Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so here's the deal for today. We were going to go out on the lake. We were going to take the kayak, but things just didn't work out. It is, as you can see from the water here, it's windy, so we're just going to fish a local little pond slash lake here, and we're going to throw this finesse spinnerbait. I think we're going to catch them on that today. But yeah, we're just getting out and fishing. I wanted to go on the kayak. It's super windy. It's like 16 to 20 mile per hour gusts today. Not fun on a kayak. And we have isolated thunderstorms, as you can see from the sky all the way around me. But anyway, get out here, catch some bass, hopefully stick a big one, and have fun. All right, let's check this line. A little bit more leery about, oh yeah, there's a spot right there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. We're retying that. Not taking any chances. So what you do is you hook into a big one. Next thing you know, go just up a little bit from that. Next thing you know, you just lose the whole fish. The only thing you got to blame is yourself. Alright, I'm gonna retie this and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so retied. This is that finesse War Eagle spinnerbait. You know I've been throwing the War Eagle spinnerbaits. I love them. I have a trailer hook on. I usually throw a trailer hook. I catch a lot more fish because I throw a trailer hook. But yeah, the War Eagle spinnerbaits, that has been, God, I love those things. Such a good spinnerbait. See if we can't catch a few badunks today. Water's down just a little bit. Just a little bit. This is more of like a shad or bluegill coloration when it's in the stained water like this. So I'm thinking, get this around some of the bass beds and stuff. That will get us some bites. Then you got fish feeding up too. Either fish that are spawned out, or getting ready to spawn. Should be a good lure to catch all of the above. Alright, y'all, so had to retie again. Thankfully, I always try to look at the positive. I went to cast and I got a backlash, and it actually like cut my line. Sometimes that fluorocarbon will cross like that and it'll actually cut itself. But anyway, I am about 40 yards less on my spool, so I guess I'll be working on that later. Anyway, the wind is definitely picking up, so we need to see if we can't catch something before we get rained out here. Well, not rained out, but thunderstormed out. Finally. Little guy. Got him with the main hook. With the main hook. There's a little one. Pretty little fish. Eating up. It's got a good little belly on it. Alright, buddy. Thanks for playing. Got him. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better one. Oh no, stay down. Stay down. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, she's pulling. Oh, jeez. It's a better bass. Come on. Oh, that right there is a better fish. Whew. She was up there. That is a better fish. Look at that one. Solid 3. She's up in the shallows right there, and I threw that spinnerbait. Remember, I was just talking about fishing it up just a little more shallow, and there she goes. I was talking about fishing it up shallow because I thought they were feeding up, and she was like in maybe a foot of water, and I saw her kick, came right over, hit spinnerbait. Whew. Awesome. Finesse spinnerbait for the win. They get into that mode where all they want to feed on are shad, and just downplaying to something like this can make a huge difference. That was awesome. That was so cool. I got to see it kick and come right over. See if there's anything else out there. Alright, I gotta be careful I don't spend too much time in one spot, because I could have an hour to fish out here, or I could have 2 hours to fish out here, depending on what the weather does. Not as big as I thought it was, but put up a big fight, that's for sure. Come here, fathead. Alright, let me check your... Yeah, he's good. Your eyeball's good. Alright, buddy. Thanks for playing. That way. There you go. Sometimes they just need a little direction. Bend this back a little bit. So really, guys, I love, almost as much as like coming out here and catching fish, I love when I knew it was going to be windy. I knew it was going to be overcast. I was, you know, pretty much, I was like, I know that's what I'm going to throw. I didn't want a huge spinnerbait, like a 3/8 or a ½ ounce, so I wanted to go with the finesse. I think this is like a 1/4 ounce, but I knew that was going to be the ticket today. So it's good to come out, and it's a really good feeling to come out and like actually catch fish when you were like, okay, this is what I'm going to be throwing today. Almost as good as actually catching the fish. Good Lord, that thing just came up so easy from the depths. Come here. How did you even get it twisted that much? God, that was a sick eat. I watched that thing come up like right there. Get that out of you. Thank you. Look at that thing. It's another good one. That belly eating up. See ya, bud. It's like in a weed patch right here and just came up. That's why you don't just like... I always keep my lure in the water till like the last possible second and then pull it up out. So cool. Yeah, see one little bite in this pond right here. Guarantee if I go over to the main lake right here, I'll actually catch some more. The wind doesn't affect us. One thing that I've noticed with the spinnerbait is it does so much better, and it's easier. Okay, so for multiple reasons, right? You fish the spinnerbait in the wind, you can cast it. It causes flash, vibration, you can fish it fast. So when you're getting blown around on the water, you can just keep moving. It's just for so many reasons. Spinnerbait in the wind. Tay in the wind.
Tay in the wind. Tay in the wind.
Alright, y'all, so obviously it started pouring. But you know me, as long as it's not thundering and lightning, we're staying out here. Little fella. Very dark in the weeds. Been living in the weeds. Kind of had a feeling there was a bass there. Gonna be honest. Lost him. Little one. Little feller. Force him in here. Come here, little guy. Come here, little guy. Here, little guy. That right there, that trailered skirt, that's what makes one of the very many things that makes the war eagle so good. Oh yeah, look at that. Bled myself. Anyway, it's a really good bait. Really good bait. Hard to beat. Skinny one. I'll take it. Stop. Yep. That one's got a full belly. Thank you. Sorry, bud. And bye. Alright, y'all, so that's it. We got to fish for almost 2 hours. It's more than I thought we would. I thought we would get rained. Well, we did get rained on, but I thought we'd get like thunderstormed out. But anyway, we caught 5, 6. I don't even remember. Anyway, I had a lot of fun, so I hope y'all enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button down below. Make sure that you comment. I love reading the comments, and I try to answer every single one. And if I don't, call me out on it. Share the video out. That also helps the channel. And hit that subscribe button. We are just blowing right past 700, and it helps out a lot, and I really appreciate it. But I will catch y'all next time, and take care.
There's something in the air.